advanced car culture.
My name is Derek Lattimore. I'm a master technician for Lexus. I've been working on vehicles for about 15 years now. I'm here today to talk about my modified Lexus GSF. It's equipped with the AIRRUNNER air suspension, airlift management, dual air compressors. It's equipped with a full APEXI exhaust, carbon fiber steering wheel, custom set of GMR wheels, TOYO AAA tires, 315 and 285. It's got a set of custom camber arms, front and rear. My overall goals with this vehicle was to build something I could use every day, something that's practical, but at the same time is maybe do a show or two on the weekends. I needed something that could fit the profile I wanted inside of parking lots, but also get me into the parking structures that I need to get into in Los Angeles. I went with AIRRUNNER because of the ease of installation, the quality of the components involved in the kit, and the overall support from the company. I chose the tire fitment that I have here, a little bit of inspiration from the American side. It's something that I got from a couple of my Camaro buddies, the way the tires fit. Thought I'd try and blend that style into the Japanese car scene a little bit. Traditionally, I've always owned stretch tire configuration cars. Wanted to do something a little different this time on this car. I want to say thank you to AIRRUNNER for all the support they've given me in this project, giving me an air suspension kit before anybody else had one for this vehicle on the market, and doing the research and putting in the time with me to get it done.